Look at my pimples. Okay. It's kind of windy.
No man, I can't either. I'm practicing my twerking. Practicing twerking. I want to.
So, where'd that come from?
Camera. Hi.
No. Random children. Sometimes you can never get to a direwolf tree. Camera.
Up and down. Laugh at Johnny. It's too long. That happened.
My ankle and
Yeah, I've always wanted to pet you.
a direwolf.
No.
No. I want a direwolf.
Oh, I can't be that dire wolf. What the hell?
A nice
I want a direct.
brown,
I want a direct.
a nice brown, black.
Sins of the fathers.
I'm in action over.
America. Dude, you know what's really cool? Check this out. My friend told me about this. All you gotta do is loosen up, right? And then have this. And then you can...
Oh, dead.
My friend's stupid!
Oh, new camera.
Okay, get out of the rubber.
Make it rain on the hole.
Oh.
I think we're really close. Can you see me?
Are we too close?
Can you see me? I can see you. Yeah, I can. You can see you.
Maybe the angle.
I don't know. Is it even recording? It's recording.
I don't want to climb this tree.
That's a nice tree.
I don't want to climb it.
This tree, a lone shot of me, just like...
That's a really scary tree. It's a really, really scary tree. Lone shot.
Okay, you said lone shot, so Lone Ranger.
No, that's a bell. That is a bell.
Oh, there's a ghost.
No.
Smack that. Oh, look.
Thanks to
I've been scarred by that for all my life.
Well, it's not provocative.
So, Raiden, where'd you hide the body?
No, nothing.
No noise, right? Yeah, when here. Yeah, when here. Nothing.
I pretend there's an eagle coming down on you.
Oh!
Hear that?
Stop, jump, and roll!
Did you guys hear that?
Stop, jump, and roll! They hate worms. They're gonna eat you.
Eagle! Ah!
Defensive stance.
That's a fan.
Defensive stance. Look, I'm an ice cream
Diego,
cone.
use harden.
Eagles don't eat ice cream.
Bundle.
Talking of this, it's just so
No, under the seat. Okay, ready? Is it recording?
Gangsta shit. Go.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't it make my complexion complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything?
No, we can do the thizzle and like I'll try jumping over both of you.
Is it time for the thizzle?
Ready?
Should we try and jump both over?
Should we get both? We should get back, shouldn't we?
First, I do like this. Put a look on my face like I smell some piss. Bounce to the beat till it starts to hurt. Then I dust off the skirt, off your shirt. Dip to the ground as I feel the bass. Now wipe all the sweat off your face. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know the rest of the words. I'm just gonna fizzle. Can you do nothing this whole time? This burns. This burns. Hey, you know what? Get back in line.
I'm trying to grab you. Don't. Ah!
I swear to God.
I know you're physically capable of doing it.
I will
I'm trying
catch
to make
you.
it. Doing it. Don't hold me like that. You can jump on. Oh. What's going on?
Bodybuilders.
I thought you would have humped me.
Word, that'll be our inspiration from now on. Leaves.
Thizzle.
bacon.
Okay then. Cut.